In this video, I will show you how to do an Ace money transfer to Pakistan. So to do this, what you want to go and do is first go and open up the Ace money transfer app. Then in the bottom, click on the red send button. And then here select a receiving country, which in this case will be Pakistan. So simply type that in and then here choose the payout method. Now for Pakistan, there are the following options: a bank, cash, wallet, bill payment, or airtime top-up. Now what I'm going to do is select wallet. So a wallet is going to be an e-wallet, and for the payout options, in this specific scenario, you have JazzCash, EasyPayza, and other wallets. Now you can later select which one you want to do. Now you can either choose if you want to send an amount in euros, which is my currency, but for you it may be a different one, or in the recipient's currency, which in this case is Pakistani rupees. Now I'll just go with euros, and let's say I want to do 50 euros. Now if you want to enter a promo code, you can enter this code right here and then click on apply, and that should get you a discount. So then go and click on next. And now here you want to click on add new in the bottom unless you have already sent money to Pakistan before. I haven't, so I'll click add new. Now here in the wallet type, you can select any of these wallets for Pakistan. So I'll go with JazzCash, then I need to enter a phone number, a relationship to the person that I'm sending the money to, and then their gender. Then once you click validate and save, they will check if that account exists, and then you can simply add your own payment method and then send the money. Now if you chose a bank account as a payout method, then you will need to enter the recipient's bank account details, and depending on which other payout method you chose, you will just need to enter some different details, but just enter everything that it asks. Then after doing that, confirm it, and then you have successfully sent the money to Pakistan. So now you know how to do an Ace money transfer to Pakistan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.